Good morning, good morning, good morning. And it's a beautiful day in Hahndorf today. My name is Michaela, and today we're going to check out some beautiful smelling soap from the Hahndorf Soap Factory. So the Hahndorf Soap Factory started in Hahndorf at Three Wishes Candle Barn about 2 years ago. And they've been in this location directly opposite the Hahndorf Inn since October last year. So if you haven't been in here for a while, or even been in here before, come and check out and meet Eric. He's going to show us some of his stuff.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Everyone, this is Eric.
Hi.
It's from the Hahndorf Soap Factory. Now, Eric, this place smells amazing.
Thank you.
I wish that you guys could smell this. It's beautiful. But come in, it's cold. We'll come inside. Firstly, let's have a look over here because this looks very interesting. Explain this to us.
So this is our famous bath milk station where you can pick and mix any bath salts and bath milk. And of course...
So this one smells like pina colada. No. This is the pina colada one.
That's right.
This one. Oh yeah, that's the one. And so you can mix them.
You can mix them, and also if you want some extra herbs and rose petals, you can add that to that as well.
Now what flavour is this one?
Of course, chocolate.
Honestly guys, that smells like the best powdered hot chocolate that you can buy.
It's for the body though.
It's for the body.
Yes.
No drinking it.
No drinking it.
No licking.
That's got a high concentration of Mediterranean clay, so it's really nice for the skin as well. Which, if I may,
Okay.
invite you over here.
Let's go. Wow, look at all this stuff.
Everyone that comes into the shop does have an opportunity to get a free hand treatment.
Free hand treatments. Yay!
Now, because you like chocolate so well.
I do love chocolate so much. Look.
Now, what I'm going to do is actually just add a little bit of water to our bath milk as such, and just mix that through to make a toothpaste consistency paste. So when you're waiting for the bathtub to fill up, get a plastic bowl, make a paste like that, and we're about to ready to go. Now, my mate, get you to rinse your hands for me.
Yes.
Okay, just hold your hand out like that. Put that in there. Now, what I need you to do is just slowly massage that in your skin, on top of around your wrist area. So as I was saying,
Smells so good. Smells like I'm bathing in chocolate.
bathing in chocolate. It's a bit grainy at the moment, isn't it? You're actually exfoliating. That's a
Okay,
light exfoliant.
right.
That texture will change into something more milky and silkier.
Yeah.
Okay. So just do
It
that.
smells so good.
Just do that all over your body, and when the
Okay.
water is when the water is ready to when it's ready, just sit back and relax. If not, you can really rinse off and
And so you can just go lie in the bath like that.
yes, line bath or rinse
And then it will keep working in the bath as well,
That's
yeah?
correct.
Oh my goodness, my hands feel so soft. Thank you. Oh. I look like a day over 40.
How does your hand feel?
Really soft.
Really soft? Have
Yeah.
a smell.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
I've
lovely
grabbed that
milk.
tissue for you.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
I just make sure you really dry your hands.
Okay.
The next thing I'm going to do to complete your hand treatment is our creams. Now, we've got the pina colada, coconut pine lime. You want it?
Oh, that's so good.
Okay. But I guess the flavour of the month is strawberry and champagne.
Strawberries and champagne.
And chocolate. How's it?
Oh yeah, beautiful.
So what I do, this is a hand and body lotion, which is organic and natural.
So no animal products.
No animal product. It's made with sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, aloe vera and shea butter.
And you make them all here?
Yes, everything's made on site at the back.
Oh, wow.
And our challenge is always finding the right natural ingredients to blend together.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I think we've...
So are you the mad scientist?
I'm actually the soap maker.
You're the soap maker.
Yes,
okay.
the soap maker.
So what got you into making soap?
What got me to make, well, partner and I went, of course, we go on holidays and so forth, but more importantly, our idea came from the Three Wishes candle barn, where, you know, they make all the, you know, soil wax candles and so forth, and we had a bath and body range there. Now, our customers were requesting more and more of the bath and body range within that section. So we branched off and made everything here ourselves. Yeah. And all our products, we do go through a research and development stage. So anything product here, you'll find all our staff gets to use and just give us feedback, and family and friends, of course. But all comes down to the availability of natural ingredients as well. So sometimes it's seasonal in some of the products we have.
That's great. So tell me some of your other favourite products. Let's look at the soap range.
Soap range, okay.
Or bath bombs, or there's so many things here.
Okay, this is our bath bomb. Now, did you like the strawberry champagne smell?
I do love that. I still love it.
Have a smell of that one there.
Oh, look, it's got glitter on it.
Yeah.
It's got like a gold shimmer.
So,
that's beautiful.
Now, I'll let you do the honours if you want to drop it in the water.
Really? I get to do it?
Yeah, drop the whole thing in the water.
Okay, ready? Woo!
Now, all our bath bombs, all the colours and everything you see here are from either clay or minerals.
Okay.
So it's all natural.
Oh, that's so quick. Look. You don't have to wait forever. Yeah. Your bath's still going to be hot when you get in there. Oh, it's so pretty. What a lovely romantic gift to treat yourself.
Yourself or a loved one?
Or a loved one, yeah, absolutely. Wow. Perfect weather for hot baths.
Perfect.
Wow.
Right. Have you ever had a smell of this? Have you ever seen a square cube bath bomb?
No, I haven't.
No? Well, same thing. I'll let you do the honours.
We're putting this one in too?
Yes.
I feel like I'm ruining them. Okay, all right. Okay, oh, that one's foaming up just as fast too. Look, it keeps its shape and everything.
And that little heart one, towards the end, it does float up.
Oh, as a little heart. That's adorable. So why are they so great for your skin?
So basically what the ingredients we have in it, it's got clay and your Epsom salts and everything else. So it draws out any toxin from the skin. Yeah. And of course it's just relaxing. And you get to smell nice at the end of the day.
Yeah, it smells so lovely. Can I just stay here all day?
Sure.
Wow, yeah, they're really, really foamy.
And it's nice and cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really cool, but the water's staying really hot, which is great. I could just play in here all day. But these, they seriously smell so good. So bath bombs are super popular.
Bath bombs are super popular with our, of course, combination with the champagne strawberry bubble bath. Yep. Because some people do like the nice.
Oh, yeah, bubble bath as well.
And of course we've got liquid goat's milk as well, which is non-scented, which is really good for skin conditions like psoriasis or any eczema and things like that.
Okay, cool. So I should just stop this, and we should have a look at some of your soaps, because you've got a black soap here.
We've got a black soap, which is one of my favourite for time being. It's activated charcoal with a touch of eucalyptus.
Oh yeah? Yeah. And what does activated charcoal do?
It just really gives it a good clean. You know, if you've got oily skin or any blemishes, that helps as well. And if you're acne prone, we do have a tea tree oil soap. Yes.
Yeah, that sounds great.
So yeah, we've got one for everything. Of course, with the plain goat's milk and the oatmeal shea butter.
Yeah, that's beautiful too. Yeah. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
And then more and more and more and more.
Yes.
So look at these guys. Look at the beautiful colour. And people come and pick and mix what they want.
Pick and mix one if you want. At the moment we've got a special on where if you get any 3 items you can get a bath bomb or 2 soaps or 2 bath bombs or 1 soap.
So okay. So 2 for you, 1 for me.
Yeah, I'll maybe 1 for you too.
Wow, what else have we got before we have to go? So many things here.
Last but not least is our famous massage oil candle. So it works like a candle.
Very science.
But if you hold your hand out.
Okay.
Sorry. Hold your arm out. Now this is
Can you see that, guys? You pour the wax out.
Pour the wax out and just rub it in.
And it doesn't hurt. It's not hot.
You can see that's really soaking into the skin with the avocado oil and the essential oil. Now, if you've got sore muscles, this is what you do. Just put it in. You can feel that massage that creates that film.
Do you come with the candle?
No.
Wow. Yeah, that is amazing. You can see that would definitely work. Your hands, from working here, are so soft. It's fantastic. So what do you want people to do when they come to Hahndorf?
Experience.
Experience,
yeah.
And come in
here, try, pick up soap, the smell, look through your nose, and you know what? Definitely have a hand treatment. How's your hand feel?
My hands, I can't stop smelling them. They smell so good. Thank you so much. And guys, the next time you come to Hahndorf, no excuses to not smell amazing. So until next time, see you later.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.